So here we have a tyre losing a little bit of pressure because there's a screw right there. Now we should be able to fix this because it's not in the tread wall, because it's not here. It should be fixable. And we're going to use one of these little kits which you can buy from Harbour Freight and Amazon or whatever to fix it. First thing we do, take some pressure out the tyre. So I've done that already. And then get this screw out, and then we'll proceed to the next step. There we are. There's the screw. You can hear the air coming out. Well, I can. Let's see if you can. Just in case there's any doubt to the matter, you can just see it quite clearly with a little bit of soapy water. That's where it's coming out. Alright. Now the first step is to use this reamer to ream the hole, so it prepares the hole for the actual patch. So that's what we're going to do. Just going to make sure we get that right. But there's the hole. Quite a bit of pressure on it. Okay. Alright, so that's... There we are. Okay, so we've prepared the hole now. Okay, so what we do is we use the second tool. So here's the tool we use. Looks kind of like a needle. We're going to put the gungy stuff in the middle, and there's a split in this metal here. I'll show you how that works. So we get one of these incredibly sticky things. We thread it through the needle, as it were. Kind of like that. And we're going to plunge that into the tyre, pull it out, and this is going to be left. Then we'll trim it off and hopefully it works. Let's see. Just look at the instructions again, make sure I get this right. Firmly push insertion tool with repair plug into the puncture, leaving about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of the repair plug visible. Alright, let's have a go. Okay, so there's the hole. Now we're going to push this in with some force. Come on. Come on, down you go. Oh man. There we are. Now pull it out. The tool should come out, leaving the plug in there. Like that. Alright, and that should have done it in theory. Now we're going to just trim the rest off and see if it works by putting some air in.
Where would you like to go?
I don't want to go anywhere. Oops. There. And a little bit there. Can't see any bubbles coming up. Anyway, let's blow it up to pressure, see what happens. Okay. Alright, the tyre's now up to pressure. And I don't see any bubbling, but we'll just put a little bit of... Let's see, can you see that? Yeah, okay. Just put a little bit of stuff on. And I do not see any air coming out. So I'm going to call that fixed until the next time it happens.